Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into a CUBOT R19. First of all, open your phone application. Then in the top right search we got 3 dots, so click it and go into settings. Then choose block numbers. Here we got our all phone block numbers. So for unblocking, click here to unblock. Confirm operation one more time, unblock, and that's it. So maybe let's one more time. Click here to unblock and confirm operation, unblock one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.